well, welcome everybody to another Cyber Advisor interview. We're here at Data Tech Studios in Tampa during our live open house. So we're going to speak a little bit loud. We have a lot of people downstairs, but we're here with Kevin Udick from StorageCraft. All right, who's going to talk? Kevin, thanks for joining us.
No, thanks for having us.
And StorageCraft is one of Data Tech's strategic partners. And Kevin, why don't you tell us a little bit about what StorageCraft does?
All right, so we provide the software that you guys back up your customer software with. So we are more of a backup and disaster recovery business continuity solution for you guys. So if the customer loses files and folders, you can recover those in like 5 to 10 seconds. If a server goes down, you can bring them back up in 5 to 10 minutes. If the whole building disappears, you can bring them up in the cloud in another place in a very short period of time.
Sure, I mean, it's something that's very important today, and like we were just talking about, it's something that people don't realize they need until it happens. You know, everybody's worried about blocking that virus, blocking that malware, blocking everything before it causes problems, but when it does, what happens? And it does. I mean, it happens. And you know, at Data Tech, Kevin, we do a lot of internal testing. I mean, I can tell you this personally, we test everything before we actually offer it to our customers. So there's a reason or multiple reasons that Data Tech chose to partner with StorageCraft. Could you elaborate a little bit about what would separate StorageCraft from your competitors?
The biggest thing that probably separates us from everybody else, there's a million companies out there that say they can do backup, right?
Sure.
But we focus on the restore. That's what's important, getting your data back. There's a million people out there that are backing things up, but when it comes to the restore, it fails. So we give you guys the ability to test your backups very simply, and the restores are virtually flawless. So that's what separates us.
And I mean, it has to be quick too, right?
Yes, it's very quick.
I mean, anybody, we say this all the time, I mean, anybody can back something up, but the recovery is the most important thing, and the recovery has to be quick. I mean, downtime costs money. Basically, in a nutshell, downtime costs money. So, I mean, it has to be quick, it has to be right there. I mean, that's the most important thing. Is that what we just say separates StorageCraft from the competitors?
Correct. We give you a very short recovery period, which gives you a greater, less financial loss. There's a lot of companies that if you're down for more than a couple of days, they never recover from it. They go out of business.
Sure. I mean, thousands upon thousands of dollars. I mean, per minute, per hour. I mean, every minute of downtime costs money. I mean, very, very important. Kevin, thank you so much for joining us. I mean, so what are your impressions of Data Tech joining us at our open house?
Very impressive. There's a lot of you've got a big variety of people here. You go all the way from very large enterprise to small business, so that shows that you guys actually cover the gamut on customers.
We sure do. And like I said, I mean, Data Tech puts a lot of effort into deciding who to partner with, and that's a testament to how great StorageCraft product is. It's all about recovery. Kevin, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks.
All right, take care. Join us for another interview next time on the Cyber Advisor.